This set of props made it through 2 whole batteries. Whew, forgot to unplug it. Duh. It's because I'm playing with a camera instead of paying attention to what I'm doing. Tell you what, those Ovonic 6S, 1000 mAh, these things are no slouch. I mean, look, this actually weighs less than the 4S 1300 mAh batteries I was running. They have a slightly larger milliwatt hour or watt hour rating, so meaning I'm gonna get a little bit more time out of them on top of them weighing less. And then you don't get that sag, that 4S sag. And as is usually the case, I am just tearing shit up left and right. Already broke my ND filter, which, you know, I was talking with Chuck about that a little bit this week, and he bought camera butter ND filters, and look, my fancy ND filter and lens protector case. Oh, I didn't put it in here. Oh, crap. Oh, well. Anyway, what I was going to show you is that I have butter cutter ND filters. I just don't prefer them because I like to be able to switch the ND filters in and out throughout the day depending on the lighting conditions and where I'm at, and you can't do that with one that just kind of sticks on it. I mean, you could, but the way that those butter cutters adhere to the front of the lens when you peel them off, a lot of times the sticky strip that holds them on comes off with it. It stays on the camera or it moves and dislodges. It's just a pain in the rear. So ND filters are optional. Let's not pretend that there's some sort of requirement. In fact, I'm not going to put this one on because of where I'm going to go fly here in a minute. Turn it up. I still just like to have the flexibility with none of the pain points, so everybody will have their own preference. Tell you what though, if I had those butter cutters, that is what I would put on. They're not made of glass, they are a resin mix, so they're really, really durable. If you're into flying around concrete and hard surfaces and you're always running into stuff face first, honestly, you're not going to find a better ND filter for that sort of setting. Oh, nice bend in that. And the tips are missing. This one, the tips are missing. I'm after some footy today, so I'm going to try to keep my props in fairly good shape so I don't get too many shakes. We'll see what happens.